Hi guys, I was gifted this Waterpik from the seller so I could show you all its cool features. Let's take a look at it and open the box and see what you get. It's the first time opening the box. So let's see, it's got some foam on the top. Here's the Waterpik. Then a sealed package. Oh, that's kind of cool. It's see-through, so you can see how much water you got. This is the filling port right here, so you just open it up, fill it with water, close it. It's pretty convenient. It's got a cleaning brush, and it's got 5 different nozzles here. And let me tell you what the box says they are. There is a standard jet tip. There's 2 of those. There is orthodontic tip. There's 1. There's a periodontal jet tip. There's 1. And there's a tongue scraper. There's 1. There's also a USB charging cable. And in here. That's a pretty long cable. So it is a rechargeable flosser. And here is the spot where you open up to charge it, if I can get it open. I don't have much fingernails. Okay, there we go. And I don't know if you can see that. But that's a USB-C charging port. If you're wondering. Let's oh, there's 5 different modes. There's 5 different modes on it. So let me go fill it up with water and show you how it works. All right, I'm filling it up with water. Pretty simple. All right, and then I closed up the port that we used to fill up the water. And let's put the tip in. Snaps in there. This is the button right here to take the tip out. Let's see how it squirts. So there's the on button right here. Oh. All right, and then let's see what the different modes here do. So that was, when it came on, it was very fast. And then you push it again and it slows down a little bit. Push it again. There's another mode there. So there's 5 different modes depending on how much force you want. So as you can see, it's very powerful. All right, let's see how it works in my mouth. Got to keep your mouth shut because it splashes all over if you don't. But it's extremely powerful. So if you guys need a Waterpik, go ahead and get this one. It's very powerful, and I think it's going to work great for you.